Hey guys, Pilly Green Bird here. Check this out. This is a tiny little bird point. Fits on a quarter, but check it out. Really sharp. Will do the job. If you haft this, yeah, kind of looks like it's lopsided, but there you go. So it's pointy and sharp in all the great places, and this will do the job if you need it to. It's very thin. This is a flake point, so you're not going to have those flake patterns running across the side of it, but really good for small game. Yeah, the more I look at it, it doesn't really look that great, but that's what it is.